Today, I'm going to show you how to take a free yet powerful AI tool called NotebookLM and turn it into a dropshipper's best friend. But here's the important part. While I'll be using dropshipping examples in this video, the real power of this tool goes far beyond that. NotebookLM can be used by anyone in any business to dramatically boost productivity. You'll learn how to use it to build daily workflows, create clear marketing strategies, and even generate complimentary digital gifts you can send to your buyers to increase conversions in your dropshipping store. All of this using one powerful AI tool. Let's get started and I'll show you exactly how to use it to level up your dropshipping and personal operations. Before I guide you through everything, let's first open NotebookLM. All you need to do is go to notebooklm.google and click Try NotebookLM. Click Create a new notebook, and there you go. You are inside the NotebookLM. So what makes NotebookLM different from other AI tools? NotebookLM is powered by Gemini, and it can instantly summarize, analyze, and organize information into things like personalized study guides, timelines, and even audio overviews. But the real power of NotebookLM isn't just the AI. It's where the information comes from. Unlike tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, which pull answers from a massive mix of general training data, NotebookLM only uses the sources you personally upload. That means it works strictly from your knowledge base. As you can see here on the left side, these are all the sources I've added. All I need to do in order to add a new source is to click Add Source in here and add the link to the source or drop the file directly from the computer. For example, let's say I want to create the best marketing strategy for a dropshipping store that specializes in pet products. All I have to do is upload sources related to that topic, such as marketing podcasts, YouTube tutorials, articles about e-commerce and dropshipping, content focused specifically on marketing in the pet niche. Once those sources are added, every insight, strategy, or workflow NotebookLM creates will be based only on that data. That is why the quality of your results depends on the quality of the sources you upload. If you feed it strong, relevant content, you'll get strong, relevant outputs. And as of now, NotebookLM allows you to add up to 50 sources per notebook, which is more than enough to build a powerful dropshipping knowledge system. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a few powerful ways dropshippers can use NotebookLM to boost productivity and increase store conversion rates. Here is what we're going to create together. A free infographic you can send to buyers after purchase. A clear and easy to follow marketing strategy for both organic and paid social media. A daily workflow that helps dropshippers stay productive and consistent. But don't forget that while I'll be using dropshipping examples in this video, the real power of this tool goes far beyond that. NotebookLM can be used by anyone in any business to dramatically boost productivity. You can take the steps I will show you in this video and implement them in your use cases. Let's start with the first use case, creating a fun and valuable infographic that you can send to buyers by email or offer as a downloadable bonus after purchase. And let me tell you something important. This is one of the best ways to keep buyers coming back for future purchases. Retention is the foundation of a healthy and successful dropshipping store. One of the strongest and most underrated features of NotebookLM is its ability to generate visual infographics based on the sources you provide. For example, here you can see an infographic I created about the anatomy of headphones. All I did was add a few high-quality sources explaining how headphones are made, and instead of reading multiple articles, I got a simple, clear infographic that summarizes everything. Now let's apply this to dropshipping. Let's say we are running a dropshipping store in the coffee niche, and we are selling a pour-over coffee dripper like this one. Instead of just shipping the product, why not give buyers a free infographic that shows them how to use a pour-over coffee dripper like a real coffee shop barista? This does 3 powerful things: improves the customer experience, reduces customer support questions after purchase, makes your store feel premium and thoughtful. And this idea works in any niche. Fashion store, infographic about complementary colors. Pet store, infographic on how to train a dog to sit or give a paw. Fitness store, infographic on stretching or recovery routines. It might sound small, but to a buyer, this shows that you actually care. And that extra effort is what separates successful stores from the average ones. To create our infographic, we first need solid sources. So I gathered high-quality written guides on how to use a pour-over coffee device, a few professional YouTube videos from real baristas, and as you can see, each time I found a good and quality resource, I simply click on Add Source and paste the URL of the source. Simple as that. Once the sources are added to NotebookLM, I click on Infographic. But before generating it, there's one important step. Click Settings first, and here's what I recommend. Language, your store's or target audience main language.
Level of detail, standard or concise.
From my experience, detailed often creates crowded infographics that feel overwhelming. Now comes the most important part, describing the infographic. For this example, I'll write, create a fun and easy to understand infographic that shows how to use a pour-over coffee device like a real barista. Use a cartoon-style design. Now, here's a tip from me. Always describe the style you want. If you ever see an infographic style you like on Pinterest, just screenshot it, upload it to Gemini, and ask, what design style is this? Once you know the style name, you can reuse it in future infographics. For this example here, I searched Pinterest for infographic. After checking some of the results, found a style I liked. I screenshotted it and uploaded it to Gemini and asked, what design style is this? And got the style name in seconds. Now, after I have the name of the design style, I can copy the style name, in this case, retro modern infographic style, and add it to the infographic I'm going to create. Now that everything is set, I click Generate. And after a few moments, look at this. This is an amazing value added for every buyer who purchases the pour-over coffee device from my dropshipping store. This infographic explains everything you need to know to make perfect drip coffee in just a few seconds. And the best part? It's completely free. It's based on real high-quality knowledge, and it instantly makes your store feel more professional and trustworthy, the perfect combo for repeat buyers. And even if you're watching this video and you're not in dropshipping, this feature is still incredibly powerful. It can help you simplify complex workflows, organize overwhelming information, and turn scattered data into clear, actionable insights for any type of business. Now, there's just one last thing to know if you're using NotebookLM for free. The generated infographic includes a NotebookLM logo. To remove it, you can use any simple online editor. For example, go to photoroom.com, upload the infographic, select the eraser tool, and gently remove the NotebookLM logo. Within a few seconds, you'll have a clean, watermark-free infographic ready to share with your buyers by email or as a downloadable bonus. This is just one way NotebookLM can become a dropshipper's best friend, and we're only getting started. If this first example helped you, or if you're finding this video valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot. And if you want to add products to your online store based on real data and properly validate product demand, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. One thing many dropshippers struggle with is creating a clear and effective marketing plan. So instead of guessing or spending hours learning from scattered content, we'll use NotebookLM to generate a simple, easy to follow marketing strategy in minutes. As I mentioned earlier, the quality of the sources you add directly affects the results. In this case, I gathered trusted videos and articles that explain how to drive traffic organically, how to use paid ads effectively, and how to market dropshipping stores in general. On top of that, I added niche-specific resources focused on the best way to drive traffic for dropshipping stores that specialized in coffee niche, since that's the niche I'm using for this example. And the nice part is that you can actually choose what sources NotebookLM will use by simply checking them. Now, instead of watching hours of videos or reading long articles, I'll ask NotebookLM to summarize everything into one short explanatory video. I'll go to the video overview, open the settings, and choose Format, Explainer, Visual Style, any clear, easy to follow style. Focus prompt. Create a full A to Z marketing strategy to drive high quality, high converting traffic to a dropshipping store in the coffee niche based only on the sources I added. Then I click generate. After a few minutes, NotebookLM creates a short, easy to understand video that gives me the same insights I would have gotten from hours of study, but in just a few minutes. I mean, it's really good. I actually heard all of it, and amazingly, it touches all of the important points.
Today, we're going to break down the complete A to Z marketing blueprint to make that happen, driving that high quality, high converting traffic right to your store. But that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's the challenge pretty much every aspiring entrepreneur runs into.
This is a powerful way to build clear marketing strategies fast without overwhelming you. The last thing I want to show you in this video is how to become more productive with your daily dropshipping tasks, and this part is extremely important. As a dropshipper, your time is limited. If you're not careful, you can easily spend hours on tasks that don't actually move your store forward. The goal is to focus on the actions that create real impact and handle everything else less frequently or more efficiently. Just like in the previous examples, I've added high quality sources into NotebookLM, things like articles, podcasts, and YouTube videos from trusted creators. This time on a different notebook because it's less related to a specific subject of a coffee niche store and more about everyday workflows. Next, I'll go to the settings and choose slide deck as the output format. Here's how I'll set it up. Deck type, detailed deck. Language, English. You can choose any language you're comfortable with. Length, default. Description, create a slide deck that clearly shows the exact daily tasks I need to perform to maintain and grow my Shopify dropshipping store. For each task, explain the value it brings to the store. Now I'll let the AI do its work. And here's the results. As you can see, the slide deck is clean, easy to follow, and very practical. More importantly, it doesn't just list tasks. It explains why each task matters and what value it brings to the business. What we created here isn't just a to-do list. It's a structured daily, weekly, and monthly system designed to push your store forward based on solid data from top quality resources and presented in a way that's easy to understand, remember, and actually implement. This is exactly how you turn AI into a real productivity tool for dropshipping instead of just another chatbot. And that's it. You've just seen how a completely free AI tool like NotebookLM can become a real advantage for dropshippers, not just for ideas, but for execution. From creating value-packed bonuses for your buyers, to building clear marketing strategies, to designing a daily workflow that actually moves your store forward, all of it is possible when you feed AI the right data and use it the right way. The key takeaway is simple. Don't work harder, work smarter. Use tools that save you time, increase conversions, and help you focus on what really grows your business. If this video has helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to build your store based on product data and proven demand, don't forget to check out Zeek Analytics using the link below. Thanks for watching. Keep building, keep testing, and I will see you in the next video.